Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing two skincare products from Some by Me, which is a Korean beauty brand. It is pretty popular, but it's non-mainstream. So you may or may not have heard of it, but previously I've reviewed 3 of their skincare products and a couple of their makeup products, which I absolutely love. I feature them in favorites. So if you haven't watched those yet, I will leave a link to it either in the card or in the description box. Okay, so previously I did a really brief review of their 30 Days Miracle Toner, which I've already emptied. My mom actually threw the bottle away, so I can't show you guys, but I've emptied it a really long time ago now. I think it has been like 3 months. But yeah, because I use it so frequently, I think it's a good sign that I like it. And while I was using it, I do think that it helps exfoliate my skin, and I also noticed a decrease in blackheads around my nose while I was using the toner. So for the products I will be reviewing today, they actually came from the same range, which is the 30 Days Miracle range. So the main thing about this 30 Days Miracle range is that all the products contains AHA, BHA, and PHA, which are 3 different acids very commonly found in skincare products because of their ability to help exfoliate and deep cleanse. Even though 3 acids seems like a lot, the products are specially formulated so they are gentle and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So other than the 3 acids, all the products also contain centella, which is a plant-based ingredient known for its natural healing and soothing properties, as well as tea tree, which is another plant-based ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So without further ado, let's dive right into the individual products. So the first product I will be reviewing is their serum. So let me just say that previously I did a really brief review of their 3 skincare products, but this time around I've been using these products for like 2 months maybe. So yes, I have been using these products for a really long time right now. Okay, so the serum comes with a dropper, which is a pretty standard serum packaging, I guess. There's nothing special about the packaging, but the dropper definitely made it easier to dispense the right amount of product onto my face. It has a really watery texture, so my skin just drinks it up immediately. So this serum actually contains oil in it, which is why you need to shake it before you use it. And I think there is this misconception that if you have oily skin, you should definitely avoid like every oils, but that's actually not true because some oils are actually good for your skin. It's something like butter versus coconut oil, when it's bad and when it's good. FYI, I used to really enjoy the Tarte maracuja oil, and I use it like every single day. I have like the small bottle, I have the big bottle, and it didn't break me out at all even though it's oil and I have oily skin, so it really depends. The next product is a moisturizer, and again this product comes in a really simple looking tub, and it doesn't come with a spatula, so you can either use your clean fingers or you can reuse a spatula if you want to. I just use my fingers. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I think I'm left with half. So I really like this product. It's definitely one of my favorite products. I bring it everywhere I go, even to the gym. After I wash my face, I just put this on. It feels very lightweight. It has a super watery, gelish texture, which is something that I really like because I don't really like thick and creamy moisturizers. I prefer something that is more gel-like. So this is like the perfect texture for that. And I'm not sure if it's because it contains tea tree and because of the gel texture, it actually feels very cooling on my skin, which is nice because when I break out, that area always just feels very irritated and itchy somehow. So I think this really helps to soothe that area down, which is nice. Okay, so now for the most important part, the results of using these products. I have been facing with really bad acne problems since July, and as it started to get worse, I realized it was finally time to change my skincare routine and change the products I was using. So during the past 3 to 4 months, I have been experimenting with new products, and so right now my skincare routine is pretty much very different from the last time I uploaded my skincare routine video. So right now I am very pleased with the products I'm using because I am finally seeing improvements in my skin. Also when it comes to acne, I feel like you just really have to be patient with it. You cannot expect them to be gone in just a couple of days. It definitely takes time for the products to work. Of course, my skincare routine doesn't only contain these 2 products. I also use a cleanser, a toner, and I feel like every step counts because even if like your cleanser and your toner is really good, if your moisturizer isn't suitable for you, you're still gonna break out anyways. So I feel like right now, since I am seeing a huge improvement in my skin, I definitely feel like this whole skincare routine I have going on now is working for me. And yeah, I've been really enjoying these two products. I feel like they fit really well in my current skincare routine. Okay, so that is all for today's review. Some by Me actually sent me 2 more skincare products to try, but I haven't tried that yet because I'm still trying to work on my acne problems, but I'm really excited to try them out because I feel like those products will be really great for post-acne. But for right now, I'm just going to stick to my current skincare routine until I see further improvements. So yeah, if you're interested in these 2 products, I'll definitely leave the links to them in the description box below. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!